Today is Friday, December 13, and we're going to take a look at the recent work at the cabin. And we're going to start with this new road and how nice this new road is. And it's nice for a couple of different reasons. Number one, it's a gradual road. So gradual allows you to get up the hill. Gradual allows you to get down the hill without sliding down the hill on ice or snow. The second thing about what's been done here, the base gravel and the finished gravel went down. And there's some traction underneath there rather than mud. I'm going to take the lower road this time and then circle around to the upper road. All of this work has been done to make this nice and smooth and to have it with slight drainage over toward the right. Here's the patio. The only thing that needs to be done out here now is to put a railing on. The deck is in place. Deck looks great. They just finished all of this drywall texturing yesterday. They did all of the ceiling up there and all of these high walls. So great room, dining room, leading to nice patio, kitchen. A week from today, they're supposed to put in the cabinets. Pantry, a little bathroom here off of the entryway, front door, then one bedroom on this level, the master bedroom, two nice big windows, lots of nice light in this room. Upstairs, balcony area, nice picture windows here, and then looking out this way, you can see out through there to the lake, which is now covered in ice and snow. Upstairs bedroom, number one, really nice room with a really nice view. Soon enough, I'll have some kind of a bench or a picnic table out there because it's just a real nice setting. Going down this set of stairs to the basement. Walk down here into this family room. The plan right now is to put a TV over on that wall. There'll be a wood burning stove here. There'll be a bathroom here. This is the bigger of the two rooms with a nice big deep walk-in closet. It also has its own separate bathroom, which has got a tub shower in it. And here's the second bedroom. Not quite as deep because the equipment room is behind it, but still a nice sized bedroom with a nice closet there. So I've come back up to the kitchen and the dining room and the patio. In spring, summer, and fall, this will be a picnic area. Oh, nice place to have lunch. And that's basically it. So reporting live from the ranch near Moyer Springs, Idaho. This is what things look like.